welcome back again to HELINDO Edu with Vita.
I'm nice to meet you for new viewers with me, Devina.
So today we are going to have a new topic. And what is the topic today?
The topic in this opportunity is
Bye
or Bye. HELINDO offer and sell many hoists, but in this opportunity, we explain in depth about BRIMA BMG wire hoist. The first point, available for minimum capacity 3,200 kg or 3.2 ton. Second, standard lifting 6 meter and can be customized based on your need also. Third, control voltage is 48 volt, means to coil contactor. Fourth, the standard limit switch using rotary gear type, completed with lifting limit switch. 5. Protection grade is grade in egress protection or IP55. What is IP55? The first 5 refer to gas and the second 5 refer to water. So, the mean is IP55 protected against gas resistant and water jet.
Well, after Devina explained to you about standard specifications of BRIMA BMG wire hoist, now it's my turn to explain or to show you the product advantages of BRIMA BMG wire hoist. First, compact structure. BMG wire hoist is designed to cover larger working area, which increase the utilization of the internal area of the blade and decrease the design. Second, save operating cost. By just the right hoist, you can save your operating costs effectively. Now we talk about product features of BRIMA BMG wire hoist. First is equipped with reverse pass relay. Functions of reverse pass relay protects the power or input from the installation's failure. On the other hand, another function of reverse pass relay is to protect the failure of safety device. For example, upper power limit switch unexpectedly malfunction. Next is equipped with load limiter indicators and also LCD weight indicators. So what is the function of that is to show lifting weight and overload situations. Next is in BRIMA BMG wire hoist equipped with high performance wire rope. The surface with galvanized processing for corrosion prevention. In wire hoist divided into two types, ungalvanized and galvanized. So what is the difference among them? The first one is ungalvanized wire rope, which means that the lubrication is in outside. But galvanized wire rope, which means that the lubrication is in inside. The next point is talk about hoist classifications, but I'm not alone. I will invite Devina to accompany me. So, hi Devina.
Hi, Miss Dita.
Yeah, so now we are going to talk about hoist classifications. Do you know or do you remember about what is hoist classifications?
Oh, I remember, Miss Dita. That is FEM and ESO, isn't it?
Yes, correct. So Devina,
yes?
According to you, you say that hoist classifications depending or according to FEM and ISO.
Okay.
Yeah. So FEM is Europe standardizations and ISO is international standardizations. Okay, so look at these tables.
1 dm, same as M1. 1 cm, same as M2. 1 dm, same as M3. 1 em, same as M4. And
2m, same as M5. 3m, same as M6. 4m, same as M7. And the last 5m, same as M8. Do you understand now? Devina,
yes?
did you still remember how many types that BMG wire hoist have?
Of course I remember.
So how?
BMG wire hoist have 2 types. The first type is single girder.
Correct.
And second type is double girder.
Absolutely right. So guys, we are going to discuss more about what is the specification of single girder and double girder. So please pay attention.
Single girder type is BMG 3.2. SWL is 3.2 ton. FEM ISO is 2M same as I'm fast. Lifting is 6 meter. Lifting speed is 5 divided by 0.8 meter divided by minute. Lifting motor is 3.2 divided by 0.45 kilowatt. Traveling speed is 5 divided 20 meter divided by minute. Traveling motor is 0.64 kilowatt.
Now is BRIMA BMG wire hoist for double getter. The type is BMG 3.2. Capacity or SPL is 3.2 ton. FM ISO 2M same as M5. Lifting 6 meters. Lifting speed 5 divided by 0.8 meters divided by minutes. Lifting motor is 3.2 divided by 0.45 kilowatt. Traveling speed is 5 divided by 20 meters divided by minutes. Traveling motor is 2 multiple 0.64 kilowatt. So, bye or bye. Okay, so today is we will going to announcement who will be the winner for the previous video. The winner goes to congratulations for Farhan Fareza, and please contact or DM us at HELINDO_Jakarta
To send your address.
Okay, yeah, to send your address. So thank you.